criticizing gospel singer Ebuka's songs, has responded to comments made by his former music boss, Moses Bliss, regarding his exit from their music contract. Moses Bliss recently revealed in an interview that Ebuka's songs had signed a 3-year contract but decided to leave after just 11 months. He stated that although he was surprised by the decision, he prayed about it and eventually gave his blessings for Ebuka to move on. He also mentioned that he holds no hard feelings towards the former signee. In response, Ebuka's song said he was not happy with everything that was said in the interview. He felt that some statements were unnecessary, even though both artists had already moved on. Ebuka said,
So, sincerely, when I saw that interview, I was really a bit sad about some of the things that were said there. If I begin to pick point into some of the things that was mentioned, it's not really necessary. I am not really happy with the way a lot of things went. But at this point, there is really nothing I can do. We both we came to a compromise about everything that happened, and God is glorified. He's doing his ministry, doing well. I'm doing whatever God is asking me to do. I'm doing well, and I'm excited.
The interview has sparked mixed reactions from fans, with many sharing their opinion on social media. Some believe that the matter should not have been discussed publicly, while others argue that the contract should be respected. Despite the controversy, both artists seem to have moved forward in their careers. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.